This is the 1x1 Rubik's Cube. In my previous video, I'm already unboxed this cube, but in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this cube. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. This thing is very small and cute. I'm not sure if you can see the texture of this cube, but I like this type of texture. You can see the logo of the cube store that gave me this cube. Thank you Jeopardy store for giving me this free gift. The cube is very smooth out of the box. You can turn this cube very smooth without putting any lube. See? You can see I'm actually turning this cube right now. The cube is only 18.7mm length. This is the differences between all my WCA puzzles that I have. As you can expect, the cube has no corner cutting, but you can turn it smoothly. The world record of this is 8 minutes 59 seconds. Hopefully I can break the world record. It's easy.